back. Just had a little quick job come in this morning, bit of a rush job, so it's just a little really quick video just showing what we've done. Basically it's an adapter for a gas fitting for a gas block for a welder, and one end's correct, but the other end, the adapter, has been machined about sort of 20 to 30 thousandths actually oversized. So guy's just rushed in, he's not got time to send it back and swap it, he just needs to get the job done, so he asked me if I can sort of rethread this for him, which isn't the easiest thing to do, to pick up the original thread. We're only taking a slight amount off. So I'll just basically run you through what I've done just to get this out for the guy. So we've set the top slide. Excuse the wobble for a minute, I'll just show you what we've done. Just take the camera off. So we set the top slide here to about 30 degrees. Just put the camera back. Just getting a mag mount on the tailstock at the moment, just to show you. So when we're cutting the thread, it brings the tool in on this angle. First job, I say it's 14 thread sprints. That's why we're on the Myford. And what I did, I lined up the thread, the tool, sorry, in the thread. We'll then set the cross slide to 0, and then just use your top slide to increment in, every few sort of thousandths to do the cut. Use the thread gauge on the back of the lathe, and then just basically cut the thread from there. I've actually done this already. I just want to just quickly show you. It's a nice little job. It just took us probably 10-15 minutes. It took longer to set up and find the thread pitch, to be honest with you. So we just did this few passes, just cleaned up the thread. I did use the rear tool post here. Just put a little bit of relief on the back to give me somewhere to run into. And then just most important thing I did after that was clean up this front edge here, because it goes onto a seal. So now the threads have been recut. I've remachined this face, so we know it's bang on 90 degrees to the thread, so when it goes in on the gas bottle, it'll close onto the seal. I'll just show you now just a little picture of it fitted into the regulator, so you can get the idea what it's actually for. And I'll do some little videos from my quick tip videos. I'll show you about setting the actual top slide or compound slide up to your cross slide for when you're cutting threads, and the use of the indicator, the thread indicator on the carriage. I'll do some of them as little quick tips, I think, and just catch you what we actually did. But yeah, it's quite a simple little process. Like I said, just making sure we got the threads bang on, and just took a time. I had the machine running really slow and cutting at 14 threads per inch. So not sure why it was undercut, but overcut size. But I hope got the job done, and so helping my mate out. And that's basically just a little quick job. Sorry I didn't get a machine, I just wanted to get the job done. I'm just going to give the guy a ring now. He's going to probably fly back round for it, and he needs to get his work done. So thanks for watching, YouTubers, and until next time, as always, it'll be right.